Thanks again for joining us, and welcome to this week's installment of the Southwest Water Cooler. My name is Lou McCoy, and it's my pleasure to be joined here in the studio once again by the one and only, the manager, CEO of the Southwest Water Authority here in Dickinson, North Dakota, Miss Mary Massett. Mary, thanks again for dropping in this week. How are you?
I'm doing great. It's another fine week in Southwest North Dakota.
That it is, and we've got to start out this week by sending out our thanks to all of the sponsors and everybody who made the 15th annual Make a Splash Water Festival possible last week. It was a tremendous success.
Yes, it really is. It's hard to believe that we've been doing that for 15 years. We couldn't do it without all the help of everyone involved, most especially our staff and also Project WET, Water Education for Teachers, the State Water Commission, all our facilitators. We had 12 facilitators that would lead sessions for this hands-on water education that we do. And then also our local soil conservation district for Central Stark and Western Soil Conservation District, our Stark and Billings County Water Resource Districts, the NRCS. We even had the U.S. Forest Service there this year. Anyway, it was a great time. We had over 550 fifth grade students whose lives we touched and showed them the importance of water, and more than 400 folks passed through on Thursday night for our family night, which was great fun.
A big thank you once again to all those sponsors who made that possible, and we look forward to doing it again next year. In the meantime, construction is continuing on for the pipeline project. You guys have more than 16 contracts underway, which is just a tremendous number of construction projects to keep track of, much less complete before their date.
Yes, that's true. Everything from a second intake, main transmission lines, rural lines, a finished water pump station in Dickinson. The intakes are up at Lake Sakakawea. That's our drinking water source. And by the way, lake level is at about 1844. 1854 is full. Speaking of the lake and the river, the State Water Commission this week is hosting their second round of river basin meetings. This is round 2. The Lower Missouri River meeting was in Bismarck, and that's the first of 5 meetings. They'll be hosting them. State Water Commission throughout the state, and it's to go through the cost share policy and to present what they have received so far for inventory for project needs and water needs throughout the state of North Dakota for next biennium.
And we all know that those needs for water are only going to grow exponentially. The projected water sales this year is at 2.5 billion gallons of water, which is an increase of 1 billion gallons of water from 5 years ago. Like I said, just an exponential increase. It's difficult to imagine just how quickly the pipeline project has to adapt and change and grow to go along with that. You've got over 4,000, coming up on 5,000 miles of pipe in the ground, serving close to 60,000 people, and the end is nowhere in sight, is it?
It really isn't. We have 2 more communities to serve. Rame will be coming on, and the city of Killdeer will probably be served next year, as well as many rural customers who are still waiting for water, and then dealing with the population growth and increasing piping, pumping, and treatment capacity throughout the 12 counties in southwest North Dakota.
It's a daunting task, and we wish you and your staff the best of luck as you continue your mission of quality water for all of southwestern North Dakota.
Thanks to all our listeners, and thank you for all your support.
Just a quick reminder, if you've got questions, comments, if you'd like to let us know that you're listening to the show, for information about easements, sign-ups, using the Southwest Water Authority's Water Depot for the employment positions available with the authority, you can do it all at their website, qualitywaternd.com. That is qualitywaternd.com. Also, if you like some of the best tasting water in the world, be sure to like Southwest Water Authority on Facebook. And with that, Mary, thanks again for dropping in this week. It's been a pleasure as always, and we will talk to you soon.
That sounds great. I hope everyone enjoys our show. Thank you all for listening, and we'll talk to you next time.
And with that, a big thank you to all you folks out there for taking time out of your day to join us, and we encourage you to drop in next time right here at the Southwest Water Cooler.